Hello, everyone. I apologize. Alex is sick, so you gotta look at my ugly mug. But we don't want to wait because we are super excited that Avengers Endgame has arrived on. We got the Blu-ray and digital code version, the multi-screen edition. It is also being released in 4K on a different pack, but this is the version we got. You can see it's got all the characters from the film on here, except these are just the ones that are in the beginning of the movie. There is no snapped people, so no spoiler alerts on the cover. It does have a slipcover that has sort of a shine to it as well on both sides, so I'm spared no expense. And a little sticker here letting you kind of highlighting some of the extra bonus discs, which includes a tribute to Stan Lee, deleted scenes, a gag reel, and more, as well as letting you know that the movie is available on Movies Anywhere. And if you're curious who got the little side icon, it is Iron Man himself, Tony Stark. And the back talks about how this is the culmination of the 22 film saga, as well as lists up some of the bonus features, in addition to the ones we're talking about. One about setting the tone, casting Robert Downey Jr., A Man Out of Time, creating Captain America, Black Widow, Whatever It Takes, and a feature with the Russo brothers called Journey to Endgame. But if you take off the slipcover, you'll see the identical thing on the actual cover, with the exception of it sort of highlights the digital code is included inside. So let's wrap off the cellophane. So here it is with the plastic wrap ripped off, and our disc just flew out just like that. So looks like this is the main film on Blu-ray. No, it's not a completely blank disc, but it doesn't have any photo art on it, just the logo, and it tells you it's from Marvel Studios. So this is the bonus disc. It's a little confusing because the bonus disc just says bonus here, otherwise it looks exactly the same. And you can also tell because this one lists the runtime and this one doesn't. It doesn't, there's no real separation otherwise, so don't get confused. You also have your digital copy code. We'll cover up the code, but this is what it looks like on the front side. This is the back. There is an exclusive digital bonus offer with the code. You get the bonus feature Steve and Peggy One Last Dance. It says explore Captain America and Peggy Carter's bond that led to a momentous choice in Endgame. So, spoiler alert if you didn't see the movie. That kind of ruins the ending. But, alas, that's what happens. Of course, your Movies Anywhere is available through all sorts of retailers: iTunes, Prime Video, Vudu, Xfinity, Google Play, Microsoft Movies and TV, and Fandango now. If you are watching this right away, you'll know that on Friday night they're going to do a special Vudu viewing party at 6 p.m. with Kevin Feige and some others, so you can do that as well if you bought the film digitally. So, as you can see, one last look at the disc and the cover, along with the slipcover. Obviously, this movie was very monumental in the history of the MCU, but there's a lot coming, including the next film, Black Widow, an array of Disney Plus films, a lot of Disney Plus series coming to the service, starting with Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and WandaVision, Loki, and Hawkeye, as well as on the film side, getting really into some deeper characters like Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings, and so much more. So there's a lot coming from Marvel. I apologize, I'm not Alex. He's a lot better at this than I am, but I figured you guys didn't want to wait. So thanks so much for watching, and have a magical day.